Microsoft Bing has a completely free video generator, and I'm going to show you how to use it in this video. I'll put a link to it in the video description below. It's completely free, so you can check it out today. Let's jump in. Now, in order to use this, you do need to create a Microsoft account. So you're going to sign into your Microsoft account with your email or your phone number. And then once you have that, you'll go to the Bing Video Creator website. All right, so once you're signed in, you're on the Microsoft Bing Video Creator website. You've got an option here to select an image, or you can select the video. I'm going to select the video. And then from here, you can type in what you would like it to be. Now, it's only a 5-second video, but you can select the aspect ratio, and then you can also select the speed. Now, I'm going to be doing standard, and that takes several hours per video. It took about 6 hours on average over the last little while. So if you're in a hurry, this probably is not the best option. All right, so here is my prompt. Cute robot running through a crowded city street at night. My aspect ratio, I'm going to leave it at vertical, and I've got my duration 5 seconds. My speed, I'm going to make sure it's standard so I'm not using up any paid credits. I just have a free plan, and now I'll click create. Now this will take a few hours to do, and once you have it completed, you're going to scroll down and you'll see a whole bunch of different videos here that you can check out, but these are not mine. If I want to see my videos, I'm going to go here to my creations on the right-hand side. And from here, I can see my video pop up. There's my prompt. I can see my speed, my aspect ratio, and there is the video right there. Now to download the video, just simply click on the video. It'll open in a new window, and there's a download option right here. So I'm going to click the download button, and you'll see it just populates as an MPEG-4 video. So you would just click the save button and save this to your laptop or your computer. So once you have it saved, you can just double click it and it should just open up in a media player just like this. So I think this looks pretty good for a free video, 5 seconds. You do have to wait a little bit, but it might be worth it if you're looking for a very cheap, i.e. free option. I hope you found this video walkthrough helpful. I'll put links in the video description below. Bing is a little bit clunky. I'm not a huge fan of it, but for a free option, this works pretty good. Here's another video where you can have some fun completely for free.